Hello everyone, that is the new topic, issue of debenture as a collateral security. So here on your screen you can read the question that Pitman Limited secured a loan of rupees 8 lakh from Bank of Baroda by issuing 10,000 9% debenture of 100 EHA as a collateral security. How is issue of debenture shown in the balance sheet? So there is two methods that we learn in this question. First method, when entry for debenture issued as collateral security is not passed. So in that method we won't pass any general entry. So that is the format of balance sheet, that extract of balance sheet of Pitman Limited. Extract balance sheet means we won't show the actual. It means in actual balance sheet we show assets as well as liability, but when we showing any transaction in extract balance sheet, so extract balance sheet just show the transaction. It is not necessary that you have to prepare the complete balance sheet. So here first thing that you have to do, note to account, you have to mention already you know that debentures come under the long term borrowing. So note to account, you can say it is considered as a working note. So long term borrowing, that is you will mention here, and after that loan from Bank of Baroda, loan from Bank of Baroda, that is 8 lakh rupees you will mention here. Then close it. Then again you will mention here secured by issue of 10,000 9% debentures of rupees 100 each as collateral security. So here we are not passing the general entry, just we are showing that loan, that amount that is you have taken of 8 lakh rupees. For that you have mortgage 10,000 debentures of 100 each with the bank, and whatever be the amount you will mention only that amount that you have taken from the loan, that is 8 lakh rupees. That is your number one. So in the note to account you will mention number one here, and you will mention here that you already know that equity and liabilities, that is the main heading you have to mention. Then after, because in the question it is not mentioned related to shares, so already we know that long term loan included in the non-current liabilities. So here you will mention non-current liabilities, and that is long-term borrowing. So long-term borrowing, that is 8 lakh rupees, here you will mention. So in that way you can show, and that is the first method. I am repeating once again that here we won't pass any general entry. First, whatever be the loan that you will show in the note to account, loan from Bank of Baroda 8 lakh rupees. After that you will mention only that how many debentures you have kept as a mortgage with the bank. So secured by issue of 10,000 9% debenture, 100 is as a collateral security. And after whatever be the amount, here in the balance sheet you will mention the non-current liability. You won't mention the, it means you won't mention debentures value. Whatever be the loan that you have taken, that you will show here. So in the balance sheet you will mention the long-term loan. So equity and liability will be the heading, subheading will be non-current liability, and after that long-term borrowing, that we have taken loan from the Bank of Baroda, that will mention here. So that is, so the same question we solved by the second method. In the first method we won't pass journal entry, but in the second method we pass the journal entry. So Pitmans Limited secured a loan of rupees 8 lakh from the Bank of Baroda by issuing 10,000 9% debenture of 100 each as a collateral security. How is issue of debenture shown in the balance sheet? In case journal entry format will be there, as you already know. So here you will pass debenture suspense account. It means we are creating debenture suspense account and we are transferring our debentures whatever we are keeping with the bank as a mortgage, that we are transferring into debenture suspense account. So total amount, that is your 10 lakh rupees, because in the narration you will mention that what is the price of each debenture. So here in the narration you will mention being the issue of 10,000 9% debentures of rupees 100 each as collateral security for a loan from Bank of Baroda. Now actually we have transferred that amount, whatever be the debenture account, that amount that we have transferred to debenture suspense account. Now again, that is the extract balance sheet that I already explained. Now in note to account you have to mention. So first thing that already we know that debenture come under long term borrowing. So you will mention here long term borrowing. Loan from, that is similar to the earlier method, that loan from Bank of Baroda. You will mention here that is 8 lakh rupees, and for that you have mortgage 10,000 9% debentures of rupees 100 each issued as collateral security. So here you will mention the total amount of debenture. So that is the 10 lakh, and for whatever amount that we have transferred, the general entry that we have passed, and we transfer that amount to debenture suspense account, you will mention here. So that will be debenture suspense account. That 10 lakh rupees you will mention, it means you are deducting that amount from the debenture account. So you will deduct that amount, so remain here nothing will be mentioned. You will close that bracket and 8 lakh rupees here. Now in the extract balance sheet you will mention as already, that is similar, no change there, that is totally similar to the first method. Equity and liabilities, then that is the main heading under which you will mention non-current liability, because debenture come under the non-current liabilities, and that is long-term borrowing. Debenture considered as a long-term borrowing, so you will mention here long-term borrowing. note number 1 because it is already we have calculated and mentioned in the notes. So here you will mention 8 lakh rupees and that will be the total. So I am repeating once again. First you will pass debenture suspense to 9% debenture. So whatever be the debenture account that you are transferring to suspense account. After that loan from Bank of Baroda you will mention as you earlier mentioned in the first method. After that 10,000 whatever be the debenture you have issued, you will mention here as a number of debenture multiplied by each share value. So total value will be shown here. And after that less debenture suspense account, whatever be the amount that we have transferred in the suspense account 10 lakh rupees, that will be deducted here. So 8 lakh rupees will be there and that 8 lakh rupees will be transferred to your balance sheet. Main heading will be equity and liability, subheading will be non-current liability, and then long-term borrowing you will transfer 8 lakh rupees. So in that way both method you have to pass. Whether both method depend on what kind of method mentioned in the question paper. On the basis of that you have to decide that which method you have to choose. If it is not mentioned, whichever method you will think easy, you can use it. Okay, thank you.